For her art class, Gemma needs to visit a gallery and write a review of an exhibition. She wants to see the Chinese textiles exhibition from the University of Alberta's McTaggart Art Collection. She heads to the gallery to attend a tour. On the tour, Gemma learns about the symbolism within the work and how artisans created the designs. The tour guide mentions exhibition catalogs that visitors can browse. They are also available at the library. These books about textiles from the Qing dynasty were used to inform the tour. Gemma asks permission to take pictures of the work to include in her paper. After leaving the exhibit, Gemma thinks about what information she has now and what she still needs to find. Her professor wants primary and secondary sources. Some of the secondary sources must be scholarly, written by academic researchers. Gemma knows primary sources are first-hand accounts of an event. They can take many different forms, like artwork, diaries, letters, or photos. She remembers the photo she took at the exhibit. She also finds images of the collection on the museum website. She decides to include images of each piece she discusses in her paper. Secondary sources interpret or analyze information using primary sources. Gemma has several primary sources, but she needs more secondary sources. She visits the library to search for information on Chinese textiles from the Qing dynasty. She finds peer-reviewed articles about fashion and textiles during that time in China. Peer review is when experts in the field evaluate an article to ensure its quality before it is published. Gemma finds the exhibition catalogs that were on display in the gallery. Would they be considered popular or scholarly sources? Popular sources entertain or inform a general audience. Scholarly sources are written by academics or experts and contribute knowledge to a particular field of study. The essays in the exhibition catalogs have reference lists. They cite articles from scholarly books and journals, and the authors are curators of Chinese art from other universities. Gemma is confident that her exhibition review will be supported by the scholarly information she has found. Before leaving the library, Gemma Googles the McTaggart collection to find more information. To her surprise, the Gateway student newspaper has published articles about it. There is an interview with a researcher at the museum and quotations from the associate director. Gemma also watches a YouTube video about the collection. She now has some popular sources that describe why this collection is important and who donated it. With all those sources in hand, she starts to write her review.